Hey guys, today we have Spyderco's new collaboration work with a knife maker, Jason Breeden. Um, he's also the one who made collaboration work a few years ago with Spyderco with a knife called Captain. It, I don't know if you remember, it's been one of my six favorite production knife. Sorry. And this is his second collaboration work with Spyderco called Rescue. Sorry. It's made in Seki City, Japan, VG-10 steel, and it's a very weird looking knife. Let's start with the handle, which is this is it's a very fine G10. Gives you traction, but also gives you a nice touch. The clip, it's a four-way, as most Spydercos are. The lanyard holes comes with a tube, which is good because so you don't accidentally cut it. Well, you won't be able to touch it, but if it's a lanyard, it might move around, so you can cut it. So tube is good for lanyard holes. The liners are drilled, as you can see here and here, to shave off a little bit of weight. The knife weighs 4.5 ounces. It's not a light knife, but it's not heavy in any way. 4.5, it's fine by me. The clip, it's a matte finish. It's not a shiny finish. I like it better than the shiny finish. And it's the standard hourglass clip. Works perfect. LinerLock, as you can see, it's not very thick, but gets the job done. This is not a heavy use knife anyway. The only not downside, but things that I wish it could improve is that to disengage, I can only push this part. As you can see, it's the only part that's being shown out. It's not hard, but in a long run, it actually hurts the finger if you are playing the knife watching TV. And all rest of the handle, it's very standard. Pillar construction, open body. The jimping is great, same as all Spyderco's jimping, sharp and fine. There's no jimping here, but that's how you can chalk it up really good. And now comes with the shape. This is a sheep's foot shape blade. It's almost 3.4 inches long. Yeah, I know that's a weird length. And this portion here is to shave off the weight of the blade, so to have it keep it more balanced. The blade here, this is hollow ground, and it's a very good grind. Very good grind. I don't think there are a lot of hollow ground blade in Spyderco lines. Most of them are either full flat grind or just a normal sable flat grind. This one is really cool. It's hollow and cuts really well. The curve you see here, it's actually very flat. It's the curve is not very curvy, should I say. It's very flat. I like it because this is a good outdoor knife for food preps, or not for self-defense, of course, but just for utility work. The the top of the blade here, you can be used as a pry bar, or you can dig something, dig into the dirt. And the blade is not very thick, but for light prying, this is absolutely better than, let's say, a stretch that I have handy. If you pry with this tip, I'm very sure you'll break it someday. But if you pry with all these big portion of the blade, you'll be safer. Other than that, most you can work with most of the time with the tip. It's a very nice slicer. You can slice, cut, do a lot of utility work. So this is actually a very nice knife to have when you go out hunting or camping. Alright guys, the hole is very big, the knife is very smooth. What else? Oh, the handle is straight shape. I kind of like it straight shape full handle, because you always know where when you hold it, you always know where the tip is, even if it's in the dark. It's not as ergonomical as stretch, let's say, but it's good. It's very purposeful, and I like it. So if you guys are into weird shaped folders with a great utility purpose, I think this is a knife for you. It's very nice, and it's very useful, and it's very collectible too. You don't see this shape all over, right? Okay, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching, and leave me comments if you need to know anything else. Thank you. Bye.